Good morning, guys. So here's my breakfast. Hello, guys. So today we're going to... Wow, it's hi helicopter. So today we're going to go check other resorts so we can move tomorrow. And we go visit Puka Beach. So see you there. It's Papa. Zoe want to say hi first sa ibon, sa birds. And she want to see the lion, the statue of lion. Come here. The bird, don't touch it kasi nanunuka yan. Hi. Oh, here. Zoe, Zoe. Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, how are you?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Morning. Morning.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And here's the other birds. Come, Zoe. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Hi. Hi, hi. Come, hi.
Yes.
Hello. Hello. Yay, Zoe, go with the car. Up. Yeah. Up. Go sit. We're here now, guys, at Alta Vista. Today we're going to check the room first before we book. Maybe we're gonna book here. We're gonna stay here. We're going to check na the room, guys. Samahan na kami. So I book a room for us for tomorrow, and we stay here 5 days and 4 nights. It's include the free shuttle and free breakfast. Hi, thank you. So now, guys, we're waiting for their free shuttle because we're going to Puka, so they're gonna bring us there. And habang nag-antay kami, naliligo ang mag-ama ko. So he has a new friends, ayun o. Go right. Come on. Dali. Hey, we go to Puka. We're here now at Puka Beach, guys. So, konting lakad lang at andun na yung Puka Beach. May mga tindahan sila, guys. Ang daming souvenir na pwede mong pagpilian. Puka Beach!
Look there.
We're here at Puka Beach. Yay, Zoe! Daddy! Hey, Zoe! 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 Haha! No! Bye, Zoe! Zoe! Look, Mama there! Oh my gosh! Ayan. Hi! Hi, Kuya! First time ko natatakot ako. Oh my gosh! Woo!
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me?
Hey! Thank you, Kuya! Yeah, we're done swimming and we go eat for lunch. And so maraming makakainan dito guys. So we're still looking kung saan kami kakain for our lunch. Samahan nyo kami maghanap. Actually, dito ni Daddy gusto kumain sa red apple. So, try natin.
Okay.
Don't have to cry though. Ito guys ang aming lunch. Back to resort na guys. Yay! Mama don't have ice cream.
This mango. You taste mango, Zoe?
Don't like. Mama, give Mama. Oh! Mama like this one. Oh, Mama like chocolate.
Oh, her finger.
Thank you, Zoe.
Oh, you don't like?
That's for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love. Bye.